welcome back to another video. So if you're watching this means that you probably have seen my first video, or you've been waiting since I took years, I feel like, to make this second video, and it should not have, and I apologize. Like on the first video, I low-key, lightweight low-key begged y'all to follow me and to subscribe to my channel, and when I did, when you did, you probably was like, all right, sis, what's next? Okay. But yeah, so I sincerely apologize for that because it should not have taken me this long. This is something that I love to do, something I want to do. I had things to come up. I was doing school and things like that kind of, took precedent over the videos, but my schedule's a lot clearer now. Not an excuse. It does not matter because this is a commitment that I made and I need to keep it. So, yeah, but I'm glad you're here now. Okay, I really am. I'm glad you're here and you're watching this video and you're here with me to experience what I'm going to show you. Anyways, so as you may have seen from the title, the purpose of this video is to do an unboxing. Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing of an item that I bought off Amazon. Now, if you have not seen my first video, please go watch. If you have, then you know that as I've said, and I'm going to say it here anyway, so, but still go watch the first video. I'm not saying don't watch it if you have not. I'm over explaining. Anyways, so, on my first video, I mentioned that I do wigs and that I like doing wigs and that I want some of my videos to display that and to talk more about, that hobby of mine or whatever. So this video is one of those videos, and I made a purchase on Amazon. I purchased a wig head. I don't even know what you call it, guys. It's some type of, it's like a mannequin head thing, and you'll see the picture. There it is, right there. Yeah, that's it. So I purchased that online, and I purchased that because not only was it just a wig head, but it came with all this stuff that I need to basically up my wig game, okay, in terms of creating it at least. To really up the wig game, I need to buy better hair, but that's a whole other story, and that's coming too. But yeah, so in order to be successful in terms of having a nice unit, that's what they're called units, to make a nice unit, I feel like these items were essential. So today I'm showing you what came in the box. Stay tuned, and the next video or next thing that you see, you'll see this video, but the next thing you see, I really gotta stop doing that, will be the unboxing. I was gonna have this long voiceover for this part, but it's self-explanatory. You don't need to hear me the whole time. So I am going to stop talking and let you watch. that's all of the video today. I'm so happy that you watched, and I hope you'll be back. And please, 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 as I said before, give me suggestions of things you would like to see. Okay, I really can talk about anything, I feel like, because I mean, I just feel like I can talk about anything. So yeah, thanks for watching.